guys, for today's video, we will make a homemade soap. And we're gonna choose this rose violet for the color. So ito yung pinaka niya na soap. So we're gonna slice it first because we're gonna put in microwave to melt. Yun. Slice mo lang. Parang matigas Ganun. Tapos put mo siya sa isang cup. Ganun. And then, yun naput ko na siya microwave for 30 seconds. So, yun. Ihalo ko lang ng ganun. I-mix ko siya ng maigi. Tapos, ilalagay ko na yung color. So, yun. Kinakailangan lang siyang i-mix ng mabuti para ma-melt yung color. So, yun. So, you're gonna just mix. Ganun. Until the color will be good. Char. Basta ganun. So, yun. Just mix it. Para wala siyang buo-buo. Ganun. Mix mo lang. Hanggang sa matunaw na yung color. So, yun. Pag makita mong okay naman na siya, ganun, mix mo. And then, we're gonna put now the soap fragrance. Yun. It depends how much you want, but I use 2 patak para super mabango. Ganun. After that, of course, ihalo mo. Mix ulit. Ganun. Para yung fragrance niya talaga mahalo sa soap. Ganun. After that, eto naka-ready na yung mga molds na gagamitin natin. So, yun. 2 molds yung ginamit ko. So, yun. Tapos, punta na tayo sa isa naman. Yun. Parang na sobrahan. Char. Tapos, may extra pang natira. So, nilagay ko siya sa separate molds. Yun. It's just for an extra. I can use it the next time if I will make another soap. Yun. Ganun. Diba? Tapos, eto na yun siya, guys. Charan. Yun. 2 bar soap. See you guys. After 4 hours, it's already done. It's already hard. As you can see, char. And it's really smell good. Really, char. Look at that. It's beautiful, right? It's my favorite color. See, now we're gonna put in a clear plastic to sealed. Yun, ganun. Kasi we're gonna melt this plastic. Dapat we're gonna put like in the middle of the plastic, char. Diba? See yun. Ganun. Tapos ngayon, ready to melt. Yun. Just be careful lang because it's really hot. Yun. Diba? It's nice. Char. So, yun. Ganun lang. Yun. Make sure that I will not burn my hand. It's charot. Okay, and now it's done. It's ready to put in a box. So, yun. Diba? Tagay na sa box na. Tapos, itatali natin para masaya. Char. Diba? So, yun na nga. Diba? Nasa box na siya. Tapos ngayon, tatalian na natin para happy. Ganun. So, yun. I really don't know how to tie, but I tried my best, char. Well, tied it like a ribbon para masaya. Ganun. Diba? And now, we're gonna put some stickers. So, ito na nga. It said, handmade with love. Charot. Yeah, but it's true, char. Yun, handmade with love. Diba? Ganun. Tapos, isa pang sticker at the back. We're gonna put one sticker. And it said, thank you. Diba? Thank you lang. See now guys. So, ito na yung finished product.